Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pay your Starlink bill using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Starlink app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Account at the top right corner of your screen. Inside the account page, tap on Billing. This is where you see your payment details. Now you will see your amount due and billing date. This tells you how much you need to pay. Next, tap Payment Method. You can add a credit card or debit card. Enter your card details carefully. After adding your card, tap Pay Now. Wait a few seconds while the payment is processed. You will see a message saying payment successful. Your Starlink bill is now paid, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.